In this video, I'd like to share with you a simple Qigong exercise that can help release excessive stress, tension, and anxiety, and boost your underlying energy. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine, and Qigong instructor. Now, if you're familiar with Qigong practices, you know there's quite a bit of different exercises. There's different routines, there's different approaches, and there's many different types of exercises with all different types of intentions. This particular exercise that we'll do today is very simple, and you can use it to apply to almost any kind of reason that you might be practicing. If you need more energy, this will help. If you need to reduce any stress and tension or anxiety, this will help. If you have some digestion issues, some tightness in the chest, some aches and pains, if your body just feels like it's overexcited, this exercise will very much help. So I'll show you the exercise, and then we'll just practice this one exercise all together for a few minutes. So the exercise is called Guiding the Qi through the Microcosmic Orbit. In traditional Chinese medicine and Qigong, we have what's called the Microcosmic Orbit, which is an energy channel that goes through the nose, down the center of the body, between the legs, up the spine, up and around the head, to the third eye, and the back down. Now, is there any kind of vein or artery or something we can use to prove this idea? I don't know, but this is something that's been practiced traditionally. And when we get this microcosmic orbit moving, we can really help our body heal itself naturally. If the body has the potential to heal, it needs the energy. If we do this exercise to help move the microcosmic orbit, we'll have the energy. So the idea is that we have to visualize we're breathing into this microcosmic orbit, and we're going down into the lower belly, and we're breathing out, sending the energy and the qi up the spine. Now our hands actually help guide the movement by making a little circle. So we breathe in as the hands come together and down the center of the body. Then it goes past the lower belly, past the dantian, and it goes forward, out, up, and around. So we're essentially making a big circle. We're breathing in, hands come towards the dantian, and we breathe out as the hands go down, forward, up, and around. So it's just that easy. We're doing this in one cycle. We're breathing in and breathing out. Now we want to try to time the movement of our breathing with our hands. So we're breathing in and our lungs are full here. We exhale, exhale, exhale. Lungs are empty here. Breathing in, full. Breathing out, empty. Now, as we're doing this, we can imagine we're breathing into the lower belly. Just for now, just imagine breathing into the lower belly and then let the body take care of itself. Okay, so you can practice this while you're standing, sitting. You can stand upright where you're comfortable. You can actually stand very low as well too, and just really invigorate the energy if you'd like. So just listen to your body, find what works for you, and let's just practice this for a few moments. Is this going to be just one exercise? Just practice at your own pace. Listen to your body, find your own rhythm. So if you're all ready to begin, find a comfortable position, relax your hands at your side, and just take a few deep, natural breaths. Good, and relax. Now we'll practice guiding the qi through the microcosmic orbit. Take a nice stable stance, make sure your knees feel safe. Breathing in, bringing the hands together. Breathing in, hands come towards the center of the chest. And breathing out, sinking the qi down, sinking your weight down. Letting your hands extend forward, up and around. And breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Show you from the side, breathing in. If you're dropping your weight, imagine it going straight down and out, pushing the ground as you stand up. Good, and you continue on your own, finding your own rhythm where this breath in your body coordinates. Imagine and visualize your qi going down to your lower belly in the dantian. And as you continue this exercise, relax your shoulders, relax your arms, relax your neck. Release any excessive tension in your upper back, middle back, lower back. Feel your body sinking down as your hands go down. And feel your body, your mind, and your spirit being supported by the earth as you stand up. At first, you may not feel any of the qi or the energy sensation moving throughout the body, but just give it time, breathe naturally, allow your body to rest, recover, heal, energize itself, and in time you'll start to feel your own qi circulation. And continue on your own. As you continue practicing, you can try to find that flow state. This is that state of movement and being where you feel like your body's just flowing naturally. Everything is coordinated and moving together as a unified whole. When we find the flow state, the body has the opportunity to rest, heal, digest, fix any old issues that may be lingering around. Our mind also has the opportunity to think clearly, to see clearly, to be honest with ourselves, and to also build mental, emotional resilience. Good, and 3 more. Breathing in. And out. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, breathing in. And out. And relax your hands down to your side. And one opening exercise, breathing in, nice big in-breath. And breathing out, releasing any excessive tension or worries, coming back to center, coming back to your body, being here and now. And you're all done. So let me know in the comments section below, did you feel your qi moving? Did you feel some warmth? Did you feel some tingling? Did you feel your body tightening up and then eventually releasing? I'd love to hear what your experience was. I hope you enjoyed this style of Qigong and this approach to helping the body feel naturally healthy and the mind feeling clear. If you like this style of content, please come join us in the Communi-Qi, where we have lots of different types of videos like this. And we just finished filming another practice here in this sea of flowers that are just so magical. And so if you like that style of content, please come join us. I'd love to see you there. Thanks so much. If you've enjoyed this style of Qigong, please come join the Communi-Qi for a wide variety of Qigong routines that's ideal for beginners or if you already have some experience. The Communi-Qi has convenient, simple Qigong practices that are safe, gentle, and effective to help you feel healthy and full of vitality. Come join us today. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for our newsletter in the link below so we can notify you when we release new YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.